Do not rotate your selector switch to burst at all. I cannot give you guys the go to go on burst. This is a zero rated, you can only go on semi. However, you can fire as fast as you want. Give me a thumbs up, let me know you guys all understand that. Copy, 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 copy. Alright, at this time, shooters, line up on your lane. Pick up your weapon. Establish a good fighting position, whether it be the standing, kneeling, sitting, prone, or flexible. Grab your first magazine, insert it into the magazine well, lock and load. Alright, rotate your selector switch from safe to semi.